Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail. We're here at Muddy River Distillery, North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery. I'm Robbie. Today we have an extra special guest, Stephen. It's St. Patty's Day this week, so...
You wore the right color. I forgot.
Yeah, well, you're still in branded apparel, so that's good. Stephen is with Javesca Coffee out of Charlotte, and if you don't mind, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, so Javesca Coffee is a specialty coffee roaster out of Charlotte, North Carolina, right near Carowinds Theme Park. Our whole desire is to roast craft coffee, anything from Queen City Blend to Muddy River Barrel Aged Coffee, with the whole goal of giving 10% of the gross revenue back to feeding. So.
It is excellent coffee. He's done collaborations with a bunch of people, including us. You used our Queen Charlotte barrels, right?
Yep.
To do some barrel-aged coffee. That was pretty cool. How did you do that exactly?
We take the essentially unroasted coffee or the green coffee, and as soon as you finish emptying your Queen Charlotte barrels into these beautiful bottles, we throw in anywhere from 70 to 130 pounds of coffee, and the coffee's porous, so over time it absorbs all the alcohol and the notes out of the barrel wood. So then, 4 to 8 weeks down the road, we can pull the coffee out we roasted. All the alcohol evaporates out of the beans, but you're left with, the banana, the cinnamon, the oak from aging the rum in the barrels.
Nice. It's really nice to see the life of those barrels go on since we only use them one time. His coffee is phenomenal. You can find it for sale sometimes at the distillery. Typically, when we get it in, I take as much as Caroline allows me to. It goes back to my house. And then we sell the rest here. Where else do you sell the coffee?
Coffee's sold around Charlotte. If you want to check out local retailers, just look on our website, javesca.com. You can also pick it up there. If you enter the code MUDDY, you'll get 10% off your order too.
Nice,
so
that's
you guys
cool.
Want to do that?
I'll put all of that in the description below for you guys to check out. Well, since it's St. Patty's Day, it's only fitting we make an Irish coffee using your, which coffee are we using?
We're going to use the Queen City Blend. Queen City Blends, it's a blend of Colombian, Ethiopian, and Guatemalan coffees. It's our house espresso. It's going to give it nice body, hopefully, and not get overpowered by sugar or milk or anything else.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. We'll also be using Queen Charlotte's Reserve, our barrel-aged rum. So, to get this started, we're going to start with some brown sugar. So if you don't mind, let's stick this brown sugar in the cups. We're going to do, 1 tablespoon?
Tablespoon of each.
For each. From there, you're going to add freshly brewed coffee.
Yep, so we just have hot Queen City Blends. We did it as a pour over. So we want to brew it about 240 degrees. Hopefully it'll melt all the sugar and create a nice drink.
It smells amazing already. We haven't even put the rum in it yet. I guess next step is the rum, right?
The rum? 2 ounces?
2 ounces. We like our drinks heavy around here. You can kind of make this to taste, but 2 ounces is how we do it around here. Alright, so we got 2 ounces of rum, and finally, we're going to add some whipped heavy cream.
Bear with me. We don't have a traditional frother, but we did froth the heavy cream cold, so it depends on however you like your Irish coffees. If you really want them hot, you can heat your milk up and froth it, but we decided to add some cold cream because it floats to the top, gives it that latte-like crema. So we'll see if we can get this infused.
Oh, that looks really cool.
Starting to set up pretty good.
Yeah.
That's all there is to it.
Cool. All right, so that is our Javesca Muddy River collab Irish coffee. And we're going to enjoy this in the morning before St. Patty's Day, during St. Patty's Day. It's just a nice drinking holiday.
Let's give it a shot. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, yeah.
Nice and
That's
rich.
amazing.
That's cool.
All right.
Rum really comes through.
It does.
That's cool.
Yeah, that barrel oakiness really present there. Same with the coffee. It's really good. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, we'll have the description or the link to the recipe for this in the description below. We'll also have all the information needed for Muddy River Distillery and Javesca Coffee in the description below. Go check out Javesca in your local retailer. Find our products in your local liquor store. You can also come out to Muddy River Distillery and try our rums, try the cocktails we're making in these videos.
Take a tour.
And take a tour. See how we do everything around here. Thanks for watching and have an awesome St. Patty's Day. Cheers.
Thanks, guys.